smoke.
Oh my god.
What I did? She made it sound like I did something wrong. I thought I was in trouble.
Yeah, she
At first, because you was like sicko, I'm like, oh god, what I did? She's like, boy, you getting fat. Okay, my bad. I'm sorry I was eating good. Alright, I won't eat good, bro. No more eating good, bro. Back to eating just air sandwiches and grass.
Yeah, air sandwiches and grass.
No more breads, air sandwiches.
Back in the day, vlogs. So Ollie used to be in the backseat that I just recording this shit. I think on my old laptop, I still have like videos and like all the vlogs. So no, I think maybe it's on his YouTube page. One of the two.
We vlogging right now? No, we shouldn't be vlogging right now.
Is that man?
Always got me doing illegal shit. Loki want to shoot one more scene for that shit. We could, and you can clip it in.
I try it.
Just for this one part, I'm gonna show you. I feel like I got this one scene in my head that would go so perfect in one part of the video.
Alright, I mean, shit, we can shoot that. Where you trying to shoot it?
Okay, by the Freemason temple.
Oh yeah, we out.
I'm telling you, this shit's gonna go crazy. That's because look, the video, all it needs is subliminal messages. You already have the hype and like, oh yeah, we some young, fine ass black niggas turning up, right? But now it just gotta have the, what else he was trying to tell me throughout this shit, you feel me?
Yeah. You trying to wait till nightfall when it's actually like lit?
When they have it lit up and it's blue.
Yeah.
Because my credit is shit because of student loans.
Alright, well, it's not a bad idea.
It's just, you know what kills me? The insurance, nigga.
Fucking god.
They have some that have like a blur on it. Like actually inside of it too. Actually, Uncle Luke used that shit. You know, he be shooting with the iPhone sometimes too, yo. I ain't know that shit.
Ultimate flex.
That nigga crazy.
Make anything just fine.
I was going crazy. Look how real that shit look, bruh. I couldn't believe it myself. I'm like, yo, what the fuck? You can really do this shit. Just turn your shit on.
Oswald been playing Nintendo 64 games with his PS3 controller on his phone in high school.
But now it's an app.
Now it's an app.
Now it's just like
Remote play.
Go crazy. What's next then? Shit. A PlayStation phone?
That's what the fuck they should have been posting.
PSP was the greatest invention.
That was crazy. PlayStation phone. They have so many phones, but PlayStation phone.
PlayStation phone, bro. That's how you beat Nintendo.
That's how you beat Nintendo ass. That's how you smack them on their ass and say, walk out.
Yeah, fuck out. That's gonna see your way out. PS phone. And bro, it wrote itself. PS phone. It's a PS key for real. PS phone.
I see people ridicule that boy. Well, you heard what Mike Pence said about Trump?
Lazy.
He say he is not going to delegate any more of Trump's type of bullshit he's been doing with the counts and all like that. Because he said, because if he gets impeached too, he's not going to pardon him.
Oh damn.
Yeah, I was like, whoa, nigga, what the fuck Trump been doing for real now? What he was doing this whole time?
Other shit.
Some
Niggas
tactical evil shit.
That nigga low-key affiliates with the Russians.
Your own vice president say he would not pardon you.
Yeah.
You picked that nigga to run with you.
Yeah. I should know.
Man, I don't know what them white boys doing up there in that White House, but goddamn.
They found some crazy shit.
They know some shit.
Bro, I'm telling you, they live different, bro.
They know some shit, bro.
They live completely different than what we could think about.
I feel like there's only one person we can have a conversation with and they'll actually tell us what they know. There's only one person I know who we could have a conversation with and they'll tell us exactly what's going on. Ooh. Shout out to the girls with enough money to loan us a little something extra. Should we ever need it? If it sounds like you, then let me hear you repeat it. He didn't even say nothing, y'all.
Talk to them TikTok
You
kids.
wanna listen to somebody who ain't say nothing, y'all.
That's how it be.
Sean.
Yeah, that's what we see. Yeah.
We ain't bringing them out. You see my face? My face, your kid.
They've seen our faces.
Oh, I did bring them out.
Did?
Yeah. This one.
You want to scare the shit out of them people.
That one. I brought that one. I ain't bring the one you put around and you act like you don't know nobody.
Your surgical, your Kakashi mask.
That was weird. You know what that mask do to people?
What?
It make you think you're better than people, but you're really not. You're just everybody else. You could get sick, right? You could get sick. They said people who took the vaccine died.
I'm not gonna be the first person. That's all I'm gonna say.
They said it's people who took that died. What it's gonna tell us about society? If people took the vaccine to die, yeah. People already took. Now this is go Google it. Y'all, you love Google. Google. Google him up. Google him.
Great
Google
Google.
him.
Go great googly moogly.
Google him. Great Google him.
Phone fixed. Yeah. Let's see. Tomorrow. What?
They're about to close
If
anyway.
it's every phone,
So you have a temporary? They give you a temporary phone?
like Samsung.
What is it?
I'm pretty sure they say something.
So what you gonna do? You don't got no phone. You got backup phones.
I got my phone. Yeah, those are the backups.
You know what that is?
What's a D-doo? Like a B-doof? I don't know what a B-doof is. I don't know what a D-doof is. You know, put me
Duplication.
a duplicate? Like a doppelganger?
Duplication.
Put me on.
Tearing apart of a clone.
Whoa.
Oh, they use it in business, you guys. It's a business term.
Well, yeah, you know.
Evil.
No, that makes sense.
Yeah, I know. He said it's
Because at the end of the day, business is competitive, you know.
Evil.
So that term could be destroying this competition.
Yeah.
There is nothing beneficial about business. In that, there's no.
The only thing that's what's crazy about business is the numbers, of course. Because like the numbers, like they don't lie. They don't lie. Like the person go and buy anything, like anything we buy this Wawa Pepsi, they know what if we buy a Pepsi. For them niggas, I will put money in their pocket. I will shoot them. I will pay Ollie to shoot them, and then put them on Ollie payroll.
Smart, That's really smart.
I know how to get this bread.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
I'm talking about M's.
All right, so let's get to it. So, okay, what's the play with the clothes? How soon are they gonna be, ready? I'm not surprised. Like, I want to be a part of it. That's the reason why I even bring it up. You
No,
feel me?
I get you, bro.
So,
So he's a bench warmer?
He don't get no minutes.
damn. Oh.
They okay on the roster. They put him as DP, determined to play. They don't know. They don't. He's determined to play. They don't know if he get minutes. He didn't say he was scheduled for any minutes.
TBD.
He didn't get no minutes, y'all.
They gonna have to just figure that
They
out.
scheduled no minutes for that boy Haslam.
That's sad.
Jesus.
And Haslam.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie.
Haslam to play with Shaq, Wade, and LeBron.
Think about it. That man getting money.
Yeah, true.
His ass there like, hey, okay, this is what we used to do in 06.
Yeah.
And them niggas like, yeah, what y'all used to do in 06? That's what y'all won. We trying to win now. Yeah. And everybody like, damn, bro, he won that shit.
You
Y'all
were
wanna see the rings?
jits.
You wanna see the rings? He probably showed their ass all the rings. That's what it was last year. He was showing their ass all that shit. Haslam sitting at his ass right there showing them all that Miami 305 shit. And he from Dade County. That nigga from Dade County.
That's a 305 for
I
life.
fucking love Miami. That's my favorite team. I seen my brother try to play them in the Lakers today. He got his ass mossed. And you know what he did?
What
He
you
chose side on the Lakers.
Oh no.
Okay, he got to the second quarter. The Lakers got up on him by 20 points up. He had the heat. He didn't know how to play with nobody. He made like 1-3 with Hero, lucky 3 that Hero would make. You feel me? Other than that, it was like, nah, my brother trashed the 2K. I felt sorry. I literally felt sorry. I was like, nah, you degraded my whole.
No.
No, I don't want you to play. Nah, you
Garbage.
play everything else. No, seriously, go play. Yeah, this is where you go play everything else. That's a cool good ball.
Niggas got me fucked up. I be mean in my mind. Cross my fucking mind. I fucked your bitch, yo. She my fucking side. Side piece, but she your fucking dime. Yo, okay. I am the nigga with all the guns. I am the nigga.
They bringing him back. I don't know how. He's supposed to be dead.
This Killmonger's Black Panther.
Wait, you saying that Killmonger's Black Panther?
This is his Black Panther. It's the golden.
That's called Jaguar. Golden Jaguar. You know, that's a movie exclusive thing. You never get a suit until then. Before he was just like a Bane type of dude. He would just come around stomping dudes, no suit. Dreads out. Man,
In the comics, he's insane. Some comics, he doesn't have no pants on.
Her birthday coming up.
Abigail.
I really don't know. I'm about to find out.
She got a Pikachu on her already?
I don't know if I'm swagging around with too much Pikachu.
Hey, get her some back. Whatever you want to promote.
Can I curse it?
Yeah, man.
Yo, shout out to these toys. You know what I'm saying? A whole bunch of real motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? I was gonna say another word, but it ain't gonna fit. You know what I'm saying? Yo, I got those same forces, by the way.
Word?
But you know, I got the same joint. It's funny because like I get more compliments on those than if I was to buy like a $300 pair of shoes. It's like, yo, what are those? I'm
It's
like,
because of the yellow high key.
because they look like the V-Loans, low key.
I've never seen.
Kind of.
You look
But-
like the orange chick.
What, you gonna do like the little boo boo? You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Alright. Follow me on Instagram, CZGabe 2 Y's.
You got a Cactus Jack thing over there.
Yo, you know, shout out to the cactus.
Next to that mega.
Follow me on Twitter, Gabe Avelli, no numbers, the only Gabe Avelli. More follow me on Twitter than Instagram for sure.
Word.
Damn, niggas got the same road to third.
Okay, how about this?
You want us to eat something I can eat at my crib? Made by Spanish people?
You money.
You don't got to get what you want. You get in the kitchen, get you a sandwich.
They sell sandwiches at Pollo. Where they sell sandwiches at Pollo? Pollo Tropical, man. They got some bananas. They got some rice. They got some chicken.
You got sandwiches too.
He said, plátanos, man. They got plátanos. Yeah.
All right.
Nigga, I just want something to put in my gullet, so that way we can just, when we out here shooting these videos, bro, I ain't distracted by my stuff. While we were in there, I thought it was some nigga dying. No, it was me. I just go back with my mama.
I think it's crazy.
You had to go back, my mama.
I'm fucking dead.
That's my only. I'm gonna go back there one day and just ball on it.
Chipotle?
Yeah, just cop all that shit. Nope, fuck your discount, fuck all that shit. Nah, it was my manager was bad as
That's
fuck.
what I'm saying. I know it's hoes in there. It's always hoes in Panera. Last time I went, man, it was
Girl,
hoes.
one of my managers let me drive her whip.
Oh, shit. What the fuck?
Yeah. Not gonna lie, that's decent.
Exactly. Can't hit for something.
Yaco Bell. Braco Bell.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. You ready to order?
Yeah. Right. Can I get a power bowl?
Chicken, steak, veggies.
Can I get chicken?
Chicken?
Yeah.
Anything else?
Can I get a midnight berry freeze?
Can I get a midnight berry freezy?
Regular or large?
Regular.
Video, here we go. I see you clear as day.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
love that. So what you doing? You need to take a video?
Yeah. You want to take pictures?
That light is reflecting the dome. Boom! It's showing us the dome's not real.
Slide this way.
Boom.
Slide this way. Sick with this. Sick with. Slide this way. Not this way, over here. Well, matter of fact, perfect. He's already in the spot. We just need trees.
I'm just vlogging at this point. We definitely get some pictures. Clear as day. Look at that. Clear as day. Look at that. See
You still following me?
Stick. No. He's sticking. He walking down.
Okay, I'll wet you up, set you up, won't let you up, get on up, won't flex no. Flex on me. Flex on me. Time is of the essence. I'll die for my blessings.